Hey guys, Vincent here of 271 Honda Performance, your industry leader in all things 10th generation. Today, I'm really excited to talk to you guys about our brand new performance intercooler for the 2017 Plus Honda Civic Type R. The team here at 271 is proud to present the high performance intercooler upgrade for the 10th generation Honda Civic Type R. This intercooler upgrade is designed for the enthusiasts in mind, with a simple all-included installation and performance only fitting for the first Type R to hit the USA. That's how 271 redefines. In order to achieve that, we combine high-quality materials, innovative design, and on-car validation to make sure that what we deliver you is next level and unlike anything else out in the market. We were able to accomplish this with our innovative design that redefines exactly how an intercooler can be developed. Many intercoolers in the market restrict their design to the bolt-on aluminum pipes. They create a compromise, and those were simply unacceptable for us here. Instead, we looked past the restrictive flanges to design an inlet end tank that better distributes charge airflow to the entire intercooler core, all while maintaining a stock-like fitment. The innovation doesn't stop here though. Airflow control is critical for efficient cooling both inside and outside of the intercooler. To further improve the charge airflow to the core, we CAD designed and used flow simulations to validate fin direction and how they would affect the performance of the core. The team here went through dozens of iterations and hours of testing to come up with our complete and final design. On the outside, fins minimize the airflow loss around the intercooler core, and a top seal further improves the ambient airflow into the core. As you can see, the 271 intercooler uses all the open space behind the grille to maximize efficiency. Measuring nearly 8 inches tall and 3.7 inches thick, that's a 41% and 47% increase respectively compared to the OEM core. We're talking huge gains.
Speaking of gains, let's talk horsepower. As you can see in the graph, the 271 FMIC gained 22 wheel horsepower and 28 foot-pounds of torque over the OEM front-mount intercooler. Keep in mind this is optimized by tune, but having the FMIC allowed us to free up the headroom needed to make this happen.
To complete your intercooler upgrade on your FK8, we definitely recommend pairing them up with our high-performance boost tubes. These are 4-ply wire-reinforced boost tubes that allow minimal movement to help maintain all the positive pressure inside the system. Last but not least, 271 is not just about making awesome parts, but making sure the experience is completely true for you guys. As with everything we sell, you're going to get full color interactive installation instructions to walk you through this install step by step. Throw in all the necessary hardware and brackets, and you got an easy DIY job that you can do yourself. So if you're looking for a really great bang for buck mod, something to really put your Type R into the next level of performance, decrease air temps, increase horsepower, then the 271 front mount intercooler is definitely for you. I'm Vincent, thanks for tuning in, we'll catch you guys next time.